This is going to be the second meeting in 5 days between these two teams. The last one taking place down in Tampa. With a victory tonight, the Bruins can hop over the Tampa Bay Lightning and into third place in the Atlantic Division. You don't get many of these chances.
Sent it left of the net, fired and score! Parker Wotherspoon, his first NHL goal! Wow, it comes against Vasilevsky. He wires it over the blocker. It's going to be Trent Frederick dropping the gloves with Emil Lilleberg. He scores! Pavelzaka set it up. Across Hedman shoots. He scores! And with 17 seconds left in the second period, the Bruins lead has been cut in half.
Jeremy Swayman, 72 shots he's faced in the last 5 periods going back to Saturday night.
And the horn sounds here at TD Garden. And the Boston Bruins have jumped over the top of the Lightning, and they are back in third place in the Atlantic Division.
Boys, another 2 big points. Cal's first game, Steve's first goal, Brad's big fight, Z, everyone, but I gotta give it to my boys. Good job, everyone.